It is a unique topography because we're really like in the center of mountainous areas. There's 59,000 people. Right now we have 120 officers. Like where we are right now in the police station is at the bottom of a fishbowl almost. And around us, all around us, there are hills leading to the outskirts of town where there are pretty good-sized mountains, which pose a significant challenge to the radio.
We wanted it to be engineered to address the issues that we had with the topography as far as our coverage on hip portable. That's the most important point of your radio contact, because that's where patrol officers get into their most of their problems. If they're wrestling with somebody, they're not wrestling with somebody in their car. They're usually out on the street somewhere in either a dark, could be in a back alley, could be anywhere. We wanted to make sure that the officer on the street was able to get back to headquarters and let us know that he needed help. So it was an officer safety issue. We wanted to make sure we had that covered. One of the main requirements was we wanted to make sure that the radio was P25 compliant. We wanted to meet the new standards so that we knew that we would have the most current product. It would be able to work with our neighbors who may have different radio systems. We may be able to connect in with a statewide system.
Tait system has redundant voting. It's all built in. And if there's a failure of one of the repeaters, the next one in the line will take over the duties of voting. They all vote. Where our current system, we have an actual voter. And if something goes wrong with the voter, the whole system is dead. There's no repeater going to take over that job. So there was a lot that the panel really liked, and the price was really a driving factor. Mm-hmm. I mean, it was I think the bid was $1 million less.
We just finished them showing us how to program the portables, and when we asked if they were going to show us how to program the mobiles, they said there was no need because they're exactly the same. That was something that was impressive to us.
I tell you, there were a bunch of things that the committee looked at that we liked with regard to the Tait product. One, it was analog and digital all in one package. Two, the ruggedness of it. I mean, anyone who's been a cop for a little while knows that those radios, sometimes you set on the desk, knock it over by accident. If you're fighting with somebody, it'll fall. If you're running after somebody, it goes flying off your belt. That happens all the time.
What we're hoping is with going to the 800, with the police department, getting the coverage, the portable coverage that's been predicted, that we might be able to bring the fire department on with that and go with the possibility of a trunked radio system throughout, and then that just brings everything, brings us all together with with interoperability.